Usembut Menteri Rangba kejela ubah kami iketanat home ubah Presiden Tensong. Ni kasi balang ula banjur bakarai jong kesorkar ban penkenria yaki nongdie madan na kathan kendai lat katemu na kebenta ke jingmyntoi ke jongki bat om ban banbein yaki. Katkum ke jing ong jong ubah Presiden ke jing shim ya kini kesin jam ban penkenria yaki nongdie madan ka deina kebenta ke baha kamiat ke jongki bat na keliang ke sorkar kala airu ke jing kershan yaki ha ka bayade bat kini ke jing penkenria syaka jaka ki baladap ban penkrek kerpang. Habakren Syakilad pathai khubor uni menteri ulapan pauru baki ne kinong di madan kien yok pediang ya ka jing kershan pisa ka bamar shipho hajar na lor ar hajar shibnai na kebenta san benai kenti hadin balapan kenria no yaki. Ulapan pauru ke jing kendit baki don katto ke ne kinong di madan ki batau jing wat hapedeng ke jing persyang jong ke sorkar ban ai jing kershan na kebenta jongki. Nalor kata usembut Menteri Rangba Open Syairu baka Town Vending Committee ka bakentup ya kinong mi khamat na kinong di madan kala tre halor ke jing penkre na ka benta ka jing penkenria da ka ba penlong ru ya bun teli ki jing lang ban pendep ya gani kekam. Ha keju ka por ukerpat ya kinong di madan bakin ai ke jing tre lang bat ka komiti bat ban ra ikimat jongki sya kami na ka benta ban yakren ya penbej. Ha ka bayade bat ki jing yakhi badang shen da kinong di madan uba presdun ula kentu yaki bakin ai ke jing tre lang bat ke komiti da ka bapenti kenaban shim khia yaki jing ki jongki.
I don't know why people create this kind of problem. Meeting was held. That vending committee has already had a detail of meeting, a series of meeting, and a detail also was worked out, and blueprint was also there. Of course, maybe initially those names which was not considered due to the paperwork where they don't have, ultimately they were not considered to be entitled to that COV, that certificate of vendors. So, but as I said to you, this committee keeps sitting every now and then. So therefore, the decision taken by this committee last time, it is only to implement the decision taken by them, which I personally feel, even from government side, we feel that it is high time that we have a dedicated place for the vendors throughout Shillong. Which entire thing? What entire thing? You tell me.
They are demanding.
Are not happy. What?
They are
demanding a provisional committee meeting. Vendor committee.
Whether provisional or permanent is it's all the same. It is functional. So, and then they are also part of the committee. It's not that only government officials were there. Even from their side, they were there. They discussed about all the interests of the hawkers. So, therefore, I would only request the vendors cooperate. We bring all your issues in this committee. Committee will take care of all the issues, and from the government side also, we don't want to just throw them out. We understand the livelihood of our people, but we, as per the act, since the act is in place, we have to also follow strictly the act and the rules of that act, which is being implemented by the state government.
The court is hearing the matter tomorrow. So what will be the response of the government?
That how do I know? That let us see what will be the ruling of the court tomorrow. See, I'm telling you, it is not that we wanted to victimize the hawkers. In fact, this is done for their own goods. And can you imagine? I think our spokesperson, Mr. Polangdo, yesterday he must have already explained to all of you. You will not find the government who really thinking seriously about the interests of the hawkers. See, like a shifting allowance. We decided to give them 10,000 rupees, and plus, once they shifted to that designated place, again, initially for 5 months, 2,000 per month will be paid to the concerned registered COVs.